Do you know about the various homeopathic medicines for asthma? Homeopathy, a holistic approach to health, views asthma not just as an isolated condition, but as a part of a larger constitutional picture of the individual. In this approach, asthma is seen as a symptom of the body's attempt to fight off an imbalance within. Today we will explore 10 homeopathic remedies that might assist in managing asthma symptoms, providing a snapshot of each one's unique benefits. Let's dive into these remedies and see how they might help manage asthma symptoms. Starting with Arsenicum Album, a popular choice for those with asthma. This remedy offers relief from suffocation attacks and breathing difficulties, particularly after lying down, and is known for diminishing wheezing sounds. Moving on, Antimonium Tartaricum is another potent asthma remedy. It's ideal for those who wake up in the middle of the night struggling to breathe, regardless of their age. It's particularly effective when there's a sense of not being able to inhale enough air, accompanied by an excessive rattling cough. These medicines are particularly useful for those who experience asthma attacks during the night. Next, we have Spongia Tosta and Ipecacuanha. Spongia Tosta is a go-to homeopathic remedy for those plagued by a dry cough. This medicine can alleviate the discomfort caused by the extreme dryness of the larynx, often experienced as a profound or barking cough. On the other hand, Ipecacuanha is beneficial for those who encounter wheezing and breathing difficulties that worsen with motion. It's particularly helpful for those who experience asthmatic coughs so severe they lead to vomiting. These remedies can bring relief to those suffering from dry coughs and wheezing. Moving on to Natrum Sulphuricum and Carbo-Veg. Natrum Sulphuricum is a boon for those struggling with a thick cough and green expectoration. If you tend to have asthma flare-ups around 4 or 5 in the morning or during foggy weather, this remedy might be particularly beneficial. On the other hand, Carbo-Veg might be your go-to if you experience a burning sensation in the chest, along with symptoms like bluishness on the face, wheezing, and cold extremities. These remedies can be especially helpful during the early morning hours and in foggy weather. Next up, we have Nux vomica and Blatta Orientalis. Nux vomica, a fantastic solution for those with gastric complaints, aids in relieving difficulties in breathing that tend to occur after a heavy meal. The symptoms often worsen in the morning due to cold air, but are relieved by belching. On the other hand, Blatta Orientalis is a go-to medicine for dust-induced asthma. It assists with shortness of breath, suffocating cough, and yellow sputum, especially during the rainy season. These medicines can provide relief for those with gastric complaints and dust allergies. Lastly, let's talk about Hepar sulfur and Sambucus. Hepar sulfur is a game-changer in preventing asthma attacks and sleepless nights. It's particularly beneficial for those with yellow or whitish cloudy sputum, and if you're sensitive to cold air, this might be your go-to remedy. On the other hand, Sambucus is a lifesaver for children who experience nasal congestion, nausea, and difficulty breathing, especially at night. It's also a great remedy for industrial asthmatic disorders. These remedies can be particularly effective for those who experience asthma symptoms aggravated by cold air and during sleep. So, those were the 10 homeopathic remedies for asthma. We've journeyed through Arsenicum Album to Sambucus, each with its unique benefits. However, remember, these remedies should be used under the guidance of a homeopathic practitioner. Because everyone's body reacts differently, it's essential to get personalized advice. Don't hesitate to consult with a professional to determine which remedy is best for you. Remember, it's important to seek professional advice when dealing with asthma. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.